Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Me? I'm great. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese mango ice cream. A very simple recipe. It's not hard to do. I'll show you guys step by step how to make this ice cream, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment down below telling me how you guys ice cream came out as well. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Okay guys, so this is my ingredients for my Guyanese mango ice cream. We have some condensed milk, we have some mango, we have some heavy cream, vanilla essence, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So the first thing we're going to do is put my mango into the blender. Half of my mango was rotten, so it's only going to be a little bit of mango ice cream. You get it? So you cover this down and then blend it. Okay, so my mango already blended up, so I'm going to put in my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and my vanilla essence, along with my half cup of condensed milk. You don't leave that thing alone. And put this to blend up now. Okay, so I blend up the mango and the condensed milk. So what I'm going to do now is put in my 1 cup of heavy cream. Blend this up for a couple seconds. So my mango ice cream is blended. Okay, so my mango already blended up, so what I'm going to do is just pour it into this container. And put it in the fridge for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I'll show you the next step. Close it and put it in the freezer. We'll be back in an hour and a half. Okay guys, so it's been an hour and a half, so what you're going to do is get a fork and just stir it up. Just mix it up good, like this. Alright? Just stir it up for a good minute. It's looking so yummy. Alright, and then you cover it back. Now it's about 11 o'clock at night. So when you get up in the morning, I'll show you guys the end results. The Guyanese mango ice cream. It's so good. See you in the morning. Okay guys, so this is the next night now. I didn't get to do it in the morning. So what I'm going to do now is scoop this out. It's a little tough right now. It's hard to scoop out. Okay guys, so this is my mango ice cream. I'm just going to put a couple of mangoes as topping as well. Just like this. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mango ice cream. Okay guys, so this is the mango ice cream here, and this is some mango, some toppings here. So I'm going to try it on camera for you guys see. Here it goes. Wow, tastes so good. And try another one with the mango. This mango ice cream tastes really good. It tastes really good. I hope you guys try this recipe and comment down below and tell me how you guys mango came out, because this mango ice cream tastes wonderful. So I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. I know I look a little rough right now because I just finished working. So enjoy and thanks for watching. Bye.